Okay, Josh, let's talk about, we'll use this one bell as an example here, and if you could just kind of go through for everybody a little bit about replacing the bolts, how that gets done, what happens to the bell, and we'll talk a little bit about the clapper too, so take it away.
All right, so replacing the bolts is a fairly tedious and a process that takes quite a while. First thing is safety. We want to make sure that the bell is secure before we do anything. And in order to secure this bell, we'll use chain come-alongs to wrap the bell and to secure it to the beams that it's already mounted to. Once we make sure that that bell is secure, then we can go forward with replacing the center bolts and the clapper at the same time. The support bolts, which you'll see here, we drop those right out of the bell. We put our new bolts right up through the bell and through the beam, put the nuts on, secure the bell, and then we'll lower the bell back down on the new bolts from the chain come-alongs. And we do that process repeatedly on each and every bell to make sure that these bells are safely rehung using the new bolts.
And I guess you're going to have to do a little climbing to get those bells up there, right?
Yeah, there's a little bit of climbing here. Thank goodness this is one of the shorter towers that we get to work in, and I'm very thankful for that.
Yeah. Okay, and so if everything went right, if the bolts come out easily, and you do one bell at a time, everything with that bell, right?
That is correct.
Yeah, so if everything went well for one bell, how long would it take you to replace the bolts and the clapper?
Well, that's a good question. What you run into with bells of different sizes is they'll have different numbers of bolts in them. This bell here has 3 bolts, 2 auxiliaries, 1 center bolt. So if everything was to go smoothly on this bell, we're probably looking at about an hour to an hour and a half just to get the bell rigged and get the bolts loose. And we're probably looking at another half hour to 45 minutes in putting the new hardware up inside the bell and getting everything secured. So roughly 2.25 to 2.5 hours on a bell that this size that has three bolts.
Okay, great. All right, let's move over to the transmission system.